everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is God forbid. What does this mean? Well, God forbid means that you want to avoid something and hope that something does not happen. So it's very serious. It is used to express a strong hope that something serious does not happen. Or you seriously wish to avoid it. God forbid we get caught in a flood or a tornado like that. So let's look at some sentences so you guys understand a little bit better. God forbid something happens to you on your trip. Please be careful. God forbid we ever go through a war like that again. If I ever lost my phone, God forbid I'd be lost without it. So you see, it is a hope, wish, or intention of putting it out there so something serious does not happen. And you will hear this a lot. You will hear this a lot in TV shows. You will hear this a lot any kind of TV show, a serious TV show, a comical TV show. You may not hear it in the news, but if you listen to the conversations on a TV show, I'm pretty sure you're going to hear this phrase. So let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.